Hello everyone, in this lecture we will be discussing about Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library of Python which is generally useful for the visualizations. As we had discussed earlier, the increase in the amount of data available all around us with the increase in the amount of sources that generate the data, like mobile applications, like the web applications, like the e-commerce, marketing, business, banking, likewise. So there is a need to understand the data and to analyze the data. So for example, if we have a million records in front of us, that is 1 million rows of data and 1 million columns of data, how can we see that data? How can we understand the data? A simple answer to this question is just we have to summarize the data so that we will be able to see what actually is present in the data inside. This part of summarization and visualization can be done by using Matplotlib. So right here, using Matplotlib, we can do various kinds of visualizations such as bar plots, pie plots, histograms, line plots, scatter plots, like that. All these plots help us to visualize the data and make it understandable to the user. Though Matplotlib doesn't have a direct utilization while we are implementing a machine learning algorithm, Matplotlib is considered to be more prominent because of its usage to make the data better understandable to the user. Whatever algorithm you are applying, either it might be a machine learning algorithm, either it might be a deep learning algorithm, whatever it is, the most important thing is how you gather the data and how you analyze the data and how you apply the machine learning algorithm on the data. So that is why we got the three important things: pandas for manipulating the data and for making the modifications in the data, and we got Matplotlib, and there are various other libraries like Seaborn, so which will help us to visualize the data, and we got various libraries to build the model which fits the data and which helps us to give better predictions and better results as per our real-time use case. So that is why the Matplotlib is considered to be very important. So I don't want to stick much further into this theoretical concept of Matplotlib, and let us move fastly into the actual implementation part. Before we move that, we will be having a quick installation where we have to just open the command prompt and type the command pip install matplotlib to install the library of Matplotlib in your system. So that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will be having the implementation part of Matplotlib. Thank you.